شوفوا شباب، شوفوا ينصر دينك والله. نايس سربرايز. هسه نسوي ابديت عد بعدين. So guys, that was my reaction when I saw the update. I was caught by a surprise because I just got into the car and I saw the update pops up even before the phone showed me the notification. So that was awesome. Today I'm just gonna show you what the update is all about for the Model S. I got some features and I expected some additional features, but Sentry Mode was not one of them. So I was really hoping to have Sentry Mode added to the Model S, but apparently I still have to wait longer. So let's get ahead in the vehicle and see the software update. So with version 2019 5.15, this is what I got. I got dog mode, auto folding mirror based on location, and cold weather. So let me just show you how dog mode works. So let me exit. What I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna close everything to demonstrate how it works. Say you have a dog in the car and you left them in your vehicle, and you hit on the fan, and now you have this new option called dog. So I'm gonna tap on this thing. It tells you basically it keeps the air conditioning running and until it reaches 20%. So I have plenty of charge today. So let me exit the vehicle, and as you can see, you can still see the GPS, but once I close the door, the screen changes. So you really can't see it very well from here, but you kind of see a little bit of it. So from the other side, it's a lot easier. And keep in mind that I'm outside, so there's a lot of reflection going on here, but you can kind of see it a little bit more if you come very close. Yeah, there you go. My owner will be back soon, you know. So it used to say 22 degrees. I don't know. Right now it's 23 Celsius. And so this is how dog mode works, at least for the Model S. With the Model 3, I think it's easier to see because the screen is mounted higher than the S or the X. So let me switch it off. Another thing we got is the auto folding mirror based on location. So now I got this new icon called fold, and if I tap on it, you can see that the mirror is just folded, and next to it you see always fold mirrors at this location. So I think this is useful for tight parking spaces, maybe garages as well. I really can't think of much unless you have like really a tight garage, you know. So this is what they added. The best feature I got actually was the new interface for the AC. So in the past that they had two tabs here, so you have to switch, or you had to switch between the air conditioning plus the heater portion. But what I wanted is basically a quick way to turn on the heating on the steering wheel and these things without going into the tab every single time. So with this, it's a lot easier to basically have one place to control everything. What I really miss is a way to turn on the seater heating and the steering wheel heater without turning on the whole air conditioning on, you know. So as you can hear, the fan is running. So let's say I switch it off. So now you can control this, but the steering wheel, I really can't turn it off. So I wish that they had a quick way to, I don't know, like you can't really control the steering wheel by itself. So you have to go back here and switch it off. Just a minor thing, but like in cold weather, sometimes I'd like to have heater on the steering wheel. So guys, what do you think? No Sentry Mode. Unfortunately, I heard from the forums that you should find it under safety and security, but for me, I still don't have that option. So Tesla, I'm looking forward to having that option. So please push it to us as soon as you can. And with Sentry Mode, I've seen some videos on Reddit where the dash cam now records from the side cameras as well. So that's a really, really nice addition, like for recording accidents and stuff on the road. So guys, that was the video in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a small update for me. I was really hoping for Sentry Mode. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for future updates. If you like the channels, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Till our next video, take care and peace. Bye.